Alright, boys and girls, today we're going to talk about parallel and perpendicular lines. This will be a very short video, as you can see. Nothing too crazy. You spent several weeks going over this in Algebra 2 and Algebra 1. We're going to spend minutes and at most a day. So parallel lines have equal slopes. Perpendicular lines have flipping opposites or negative reciprocals. Horizontal and vertical lines are also perpendicular, even though their slopes really aren't those flipping opposites. You know, one is 0, the other one's undefined. Normally we'll have something like this, 2/3 and -3/2. Let's go ahead and jump into the examples. The first one, we want to solve this for y because that's what we want to, we can get solved for y-intercept, slope intercept, there we go. So move x over here, so I get -3y equals -x plus 21. Divide every piece by -3. So y is equal to 1/3 x minus 7. So that's my slope. So m equals 1/3. And then with that one. Number 2, find the equation of a line containing -3, 2, parallel to y equals 4. Well, y equals 4 is like this. So 3 comma -2, that means the y value is going through 2. So equals 2. Similarly, number 3, it's the same idea. X equals -5 is like this. So containing that one would have to be x equals 4. There are a couple problems like that on your homework, so don't overthink those. Those are pretty easy. This number 4 is kind of challenging. So we have these 2 points, -1, -3, and 4, comma 1. And what we want to do is come over and figure out a line that's going to bisect this line and also form a 90-degree angle. So the first thing I need to figure out is what point they intersect at. So where is this point? So to do that, I'm going to do my midpoint formula, -1 plus 4 over 2. And then 1 and -3 over 2. Well, that's going to give me 1.5. This gives me -1. So that's my ordered pair where they intersect. The second third, so I've taken care of that bisector, by the way. That's my check mark. Perpendicular, I need to figure out the slope, then flip it. Because if I figure out the slope at this one, then this one will be the flipping opposite. So 1 minus -3 over 4 minus -1. Everything turns out positive, so I got 4 over 5, so that means my slope from my perpendicular bisector is -5 over 4, flipping opposites. The last thing, let's put this into point slope formula, and then we'll be done. So point slope, remember, is that y minus y1 equals, excuse me, x times x minus, or m times x minus x1. Got my ordered pair, got my slope, put it in, y minus -1 turns into a positive, -5/4, x minus 1.5. Hippity hoppity shooter property, do all that fun stuff like we're used to. So I got y plus 1 equals -5/4 x. I'm going to do this as a decimal, 1.875. Subtract 1. So y equals -5/4 x plus 0.875. That's also 7/8 if I remember correctly. Alrighty, good luck. See you tomorrow.